Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the belt buckle hairstyle. So I have here the belt holder and a spray paint and also glue, and I also have here a pack of stones. So I'm going to be customizing the belt I'm be using today because it's really looking rusty and not eye catchy. So first I'm going to go in with the spray and spray it on the belt. Then I'm going to get my glue and then put it on it. Then after that I'm just going to drop the stones on it and allow it dry. Guys, this is what it looks like. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a very big thumbs up, like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends because sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, I'm going to get my brush and then brush the hair down. Then after that I'm going to get a rubber band and then secure it down. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take out some strands and then use it to cover my rubber band. So moving on, I'm going to be dragging the hair just as seen in the video because I really don't want it to be smooth on that part. So then after that I'm going to get my ultra hold spray and then spray just to hold it down. So I'm going to take out a little hair from the one I held down earlier. So I'm going to get my control pin and then hold it down. So then after that I'm going to get my hair padding. So I'll be using the U-shaped hair padding for today's video. I have a couple of tutorials on how to do hair padding. So I'm going to leave one of them up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do hair paddings. So in today's video we're also going to be doing the roll-up method. So I have a couple of videos also on how to do the roll-up method bun. So I'll also leave one of them up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do the roll-up method. So now moving on to the actual reason we're here today, how to do the belt buckle bun. So now this is the already customized buckle, so I'm going to like place it right there and then get my bobby pins and then secure it down. I'm going to tease the hair just as seen in the video. Then because I really want that part to be smooth, I'm going to get my hold spray and then spray it. So then after that, I'm going to work my comb into it just to give it that, you know, slick look. So then after that, I'm going to like pass it through the belt buckle and then use my rat tail comb and then push it under it. So I really want you guys to like pay attention to this part, so I'm not going to be talking so you guys can enjoy the rest of this video. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to like get the leftover hair and then pass it underneath the bun and then get my bobby pins and then secure it down. So then after that, I'm going to be doing like finishing touches where I have to get my spray and spray the hair just to push in all the fly away. And voila, we're done. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends because you know sharing is caring, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel, or is there any hairstyle you'd want me to create here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.